Good evening. The second biggest artificial intelligence chip company just launched its initial public offering, and it is worth more than $26 billion. That is Cerebras, the company challenging the world's most dominant GPU maker. Let me explain. Cerebras builds artificial intelligence accelerator chips that work very differently from the graphics processing units made by Nvidia. Instead of using separate small processing units, Cerebras puts an entire processor on a single piece of silicon. This design lets the chip process enormous amounts of data simultaneously without the bottlenecks that slow down traditional GPU architectures. The fundamental architecture difference matters a lot for artificial intelligence workloads. Traditional GPUs split work across many separate processing cores with complex routing between them. Cerebras takes the opposite approach by placing the entire neural network computation onto one giant die. This eliminates the communication overhead between chips and allows faster data processing at scale. Cerebras has shifted from just selling hardware to offering its chips as a cloud computing service. This means customers can rent processing power without buying expensive physical hardware. The company signed a massive deal worth over $20 billion with OpenAI to provide up to 750 megawatts of AI computing power through the end of the decade. The financial numbers behind this IPO are staggering. Fourth quarter revenue jumped 76% year over year to $510 million. The company even posted $88 million in net income during that period. At the offering price of $125 per share, the company could be worth $26.6 billion. The co-founder and chief executive officer is keeping all of his shares during this offering. He will own more than 10 million shares worth up to $1.28 billion at the high end of the price range. He is not selling any of his stake, which suggests deep confidence in the company's long-term trajectory as a standalone AI infrastructure business. The AI chip market just got a new heavyweight contender. Cerebras went public twice, pulled back the first time and returned stronger with real revenue and a $20 billion deal with OpenAI. Whether this AI chipmaker can actually unseat the established GPU giants remains the question that will decide whether this IPO becomes one of the biggest success stories of the artificial intelligence decade.